Alright, today we are going to be making the Honey Deuce, the drink popularized by the US Open in tennis. We're going to start by making our own lemonade. I'm taking a half cup of lemon juice and then combining with a cup and a half of filtered water. This is going to make about 4 servings. Instead of sugar, I like to use simple syrup. I just find that it combines a little bit easier and I don't have to sit there and wait for the sugar to dissolve. I'm using 4 tablespoons as I like my lemonade a little bit more on the sour side, so feel free to add more. Now, they call it a Honey Deuce as you're supposed to use a honeydew melon for the tennis ball garnish on top of the drink. And to be honest, I'm not the biggest fan of honeydew melon, so I chose to use kiwi. So no matter what you use, the process is still going to be the same. I would recommend getting a melon baller. They're pretty cheap on Amazon and they're just going to make your life much easier when it comes to getting that circular shape. And for the kiwi, I would actually recommend cutting off the top, then you can get a little bit more of the flesh and kind of get that perfect tennis ball shape. For the drink, you're going to start off with a half ounce of raspberry liqueur. The most common one you're going to find is Chambord, which I'm using here. You're going to add that into a cocktail glass and then get 1.5 ounces of a good vodka using Tito's and add that back into the glass as well. For final steps, you're going to fill up the glass with ice and then top off with the lemonade. If you're looking for a specific measurement, we're using about 4 ounces here. And to finish off this drink, we're going to take our kiwi tennis balls that we made earlier on a cocktail stick, and there you have it, the iconic Honey Kiwi Deuce. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.